While the Hero Mavericks 440 is the company's largest engine displacement motorcycle, Triumph motorcycles are known for their reliability. Hence, today's video is going to be an epic face-off between the Hero Maverick 440 and the Triumph Speed 400. It's going to be a clash of power, style and also engineering finesse. Hi, you're watching Times Tribe English. It's me Pavni Jain and it's time to kickstart this comparison to find out which one is truly the hero on the Indian roads. Let's begin with the powertrains. Hero Maverick 440 offers 440cc single-cylinder air and oil-cooled engine. It also delivers a power of 27 bhp, generates 36 Nm of torque and comes with 6-speed gearbox. Triumph Speed 400 offers 398cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled DOHC engine. It delivers 39 bhp of power, generates 37 Nm of torque and comes with 6-speed gearbox. Certainly, the Maverick 440 comes with a larger engine displacement, but the liquid-cooled engine and also the dual overhead camshaft deliver more power and generate extra torque. I mean, there is a notable difference of 12 bhp of power and also 1 Nm of extra torque. Hence, you get more speed with the Speed 400. The 6-speed gearbox remains the same for both the machines. So to spot more differences, let's move on to the dimensions. Hero Maverick 440 comes with the following dimensions when we talk about seat height, wheelbase, ground clearance, fuel tank and curb weight. Triumph Speed 400 comes with the following dimensions in terms of seat height, wheelbase, ground clearance, fuel tank and curb weight. There are just minor differences when it comes to either the seat height or the wheelbase of the two bikes. Also make note that the ground clearance of the Maverick 440 is 175 mm, but the figures are missing from the internet for the Speed 400. The fuel tank of the Maverick 440 is bigger by 0.5 liters and the bike is also heavier by 11 kgs, which is not really a very good thing because the lower the weight, the more the power and the torque. Now it's time to measure the tires and also have a look at the braking system and suspension. I'll start with Hero Maverick 440. The front tire measures 17 inches with 110 section. The rear tire measures 17 inches with 150 section. Well, it offers alloy wheel, spoke wheel and also tubeless tire. As for Triumph Speed 400, the front tire measures 17 inches with 110 section. The rear tire measures 17 inches with 150 section. The bike offers alloy wheel but not the spoke wheel option, and it also offers tubeless tire. Maverick 440 comes with 320 mm single disc front brake. It offers 240 mm single disc rear brake. Speed 400 offers 300 mm single disc front brake. It comes with 230 mm single disc rear brake. Maverick 440 comes with telescopic front suspension and it offers twin shock adjustable rear suspension. Speed 400 offers USD forks front suspension and it comes with monoshock adjustable rear suspension. The only difference in the tire or the wheel is that apart from the alloy wheel, the Maverick 440 also gives you an option of spoke wheel with its base variant. But there is nothing like that with the Speed 400. It gives you alloy wheels as standard. Coming to the brakes, the Maverick 440 comes with larger disc diameter to give more leverage for stopping. Now the significant difference is in the front suspension of the two bikes. While the Maverick 440 offers telescopic suspension, the Speed 400 offers upside-down suspension. Here's some extra gyan for you guys. In the upside-down suspension arrangement, the lighter part of the suspension, which is the smaller inner tubes, those are attached to the wheels axle. This results in better handling and cornering due to less weight on the wheels. Well, there is also a difference in the rear suspension. The Maverick 440's twin shock offer better balancing and jerk control over the single setup available with Speed 400. Now it's time to look at the feature list of both the motorcycles. Hero Maverick 440 offers LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, digital instrumentation, slip and assist clutch, dual channel ABS, USB-A charging port, eSIM based Hero Connect, turn-by-turn navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. Triumph Speed 400 offers LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, semi-digital instrumentation, torque assist clutch, dual channel ABS, USB-C charging port, switchable traction control and immobilizer. While half of the features of the two motorcycles are similar, but there are some differences which I've already mentioned in the list. Well, one noteworthy feature of the Hero Maverick 440 is the smartphone integration. The eSIM based Hero Connect allow prospective buyers to unlock 35 plus features. But on the other hand, the Speed 400 consorts with switchable traction control to prevent wheel skipping. Well, it also features built-in immobilizer to prevent the engine from being started unless the correct key is used. Interesting, right? Well, in my opinion, both the motorcycles come with boatload of features. Depends on you. What do you think? Which feature is valuable to have? Let's talk about the prices now. The Maverick 440 comes in 3 different variants, base, mid and top. The base variant is priced at Rs 1,99,000 ex-showroom. The mid variant is priced at Rs 2,14,000 ex-showroom. The top variant is priced at Rs 2,24,000 ex-showroom. The top variant also offers 3D badging. Coming to the Speed 400, it comes in a single variant which is priced at Rs 2,33,000 ex-showroom. There you have it, folks, the ultimate clash between the Hero Maverick 440 and the Triumph Speed 400. Well, we have covered it all, from the power delivery to the braking system. And in my opinion, the Hero motorcycle is a better deal. But yes, there is no denying that the Triumph 400 comes with powerful powertrains. As for design, I'll stick to what I always say, that it's a matter of personal choice. The Maverick 440 offers bolder looks in comparison to Speed 400. For instance, its pronounced fuel tank hump adds to its muscular character, whereas the Speed 400 always flaunts its aesthetics. For instance, its pretty long stroke of exhaust pipe of the motorcycle retains classic looks with a modern touch to it. Hence, it is your turn to sound off in the comments which one would you choose as for design at least. Rest you know the drill, guys. Like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to Times Drive English.